As we know, land can divide nations, but landscapes bring them together. We experience this every day. In Sundarban, the most eco-sensitive zone, one of the most eco-sensitive zones of the world, is shared by two countries, Bangladesh and India. And we manage it jointly on many fronts. So I congratulate IUCN for organizing a webinar series to bring together various experts, practitioners and media people to champion the cause of landscape restoration. As you know, India was president of, and we hosted 14th COP on land degradation. Restoring the land is a very important and has become more important in present day crisis, because restoring moisture by planting trees, by augmenting water and fodder, by various methods, you can restore lands. India had originally taken target of 13 million hectares to be restored by 2030. We then enhanced in the bond to 21 million hectares. And when India hosted the COP14, the Prime Minister of India increased it further to 26 million hectares of land restoration target. We will become land degradation neutral state country by 2030. And therefore, this target is very ambitious and we will achieve it. The program is already underway. This land restoration will help mitigating climate change. We have already decided on the creating carbon sequestration through additional forest, and which will create 2.5 billion tons of carbon sequestration. This is a huge target in the world. And we are going to achieve it by increasing forest, making moderate forest into dense forest, degraded forest into moderate forest, and having very big amount of plantation, horticulture mission and agroforestry. All this will add to India's achievements, and this target we have decided are very important. This land restoration is key to humanity's connect with the nature and species conservation across all geographies, and India would be taking up this huge task on hand and will make it successful. So, all the best IUCN. We will definitely make it happen and we will share our best practices to the world. We are ready to exchange.